Hi everyone, happy Sunday and happy Mother's Day as well. I hope all you beautiful mothers are having a wonderful Mother's Day. I'm going to take a step back from doing the voiceover for today's one, just because I am absolutely exhausted at the minute. It is 9 o'clock, 10, well, I don't even know what time it is. It's 9 o'clock on Saturday, the day before Mother's Day, and I'm going to go and get an early night. I've been rushed off my feet for 2 weeks straight, so I'm going to love you and leave you, and hopefully you enjoy this video, and I'll catch you all at the end. really do hope you like this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you have any questions about what I've used or how I did a certain thing, I will definitely answer in the comment section, and everything I've used will be linked in the description box along with all the discount codes. The Beetles one is on screen because I've used mainly Beetles things, but everything else that I have a discount code to will be in the description box as well. And yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye.